Uzume, more commonly known as Ame-no-Uzume, is a prominent goddess in Japanese mythology, revered as the deity of dawn, mirth, and revelry. She is most famously known for her pivotal role in the myth of Amaterasu, the sun goddess, and her connection to dance, laughter, and the power of joy in dispelling darkness. As a kami, a spirit or deity in the Shinto tradition, Uzume embodies the idea that humor and celebration have the ability to restore balance and harmony. Her most well-known story appears in the Kojiki and Nihon Shoki, Japan's oldest historical and mythological texts. According to the myth, Amaterasu, the sun goddess, was deeply angered and grief-stricken after a confrontation with her stormy and chaotic brother, Susanoo. In her sorrow, she retreated into a cave, plunging the world into darkness. Without the sun, crops withered, and the gods grew desperate to lure her out. Uzume, known for her quick wit and bold nature, took action. She overturned a washtub, climbed atop it, and began a wild, provocative dance. She stripped off parts of her clothing, stomped her feet, and laughed loudly, captivating the gathered gods. The divine audience burst into laughter at her performance, and their uproarious joy intrigued Amaterasu. Curious about the commotion outside, the sun goddess peeked out of the cave. At that moment, another deity held up a mirror, reflecting Amaterasu's own radiant image back at her, while the gods pulled her out, restoring light to the world. Uzume's dance had succeeded in drawing Amaterasu from her seclusion, proving the power of joy and celebration over despair. Because of this act, Uzume became revered as the goddess of dance, laughter, and entertainment, with strong associations with kagura, a form of sacred Shinto dance and theater still performed at shrines today. She is also regarded as a protector of travelers and is sometimes linked to fertility and prosperity, as laughter and joy were believed to bring good fortune. In another myth, Uzume is said to have guided Sarusutahiko, a powerful earth kami, to help the heavenly deities descend to Japan. In this role, she became his wife, emphasizing her connection to guiding forces, celebration, and the harmony between heaven and earth. Uzume's influence continues in Japanese culture, particularly in performance arts, comedic traditions, and the celebratory aspects of Shinto rituals. Her story highlights an important theme in mythology across cultures: the ability of humor, dance, and lightheartedness to overcome sorrow and darkness. In conclusion, Ame-no-Uzume stands as a testament to the transformative power of joy. She is a goddess who teaches that even in the darkest times, laughter and celebration can restore balance. Whether through her legendary dance that brought back the sun or her role as a guide and protector, Uzume's presence in Japanese mythology underscores the value of humor, resilience, and community in overcoming adversity. Her legacy endures in Shinto traditions, theater, and the cultural understanding that joy is not just an emotion, but a force capable of shaping the world.